In today's video, I'll show you how to share Steam games and play together, even if only one person owns the game. This is perfect if you want to enjoy games with friends or family without buying multiple copies. First, let's talk about sharing Steam games. Steam has a feature called Family Sharing. To use it, open Steam on the computer that owns the games. Click on Steam in the top left corner, go to Settings, then open the Family section. Here, turn on Family Sharing and choose which accounts or computers you want to share your game library with. Once this is set up, the other person can log in to their own Steam account on that approved computer. They'll see your shared games in their library and can download and play them. Keep in mind, only one person can use a shared library at a time, so if the owner starts playing, the other player will be asked to exit. Now, let's look at how to play together using Steam Remote Play Together. This works for games that support local multiplayer, split screen, or shared screen modes. Only the host needs to own and install the game. To start, launch the game on the host's computer. While the game is running, press Shift and Tab to open the Steam overlay. Open your friends list, right-click on a friend's name, and choose Remote Play Together. Your friend will receive an invite and can join instantly. Once connected, your friend can use their own controller or keyboard, and the game will act like you're playing on the same screen. Only the game window is shared, not your full desktop, so your privacy stays protected. A stable internet connection is important for smooth gameplay, especially for fast-paced games. And that's how you share Steam games and play together. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.